going to make today. It shouldn't take a lot of time. For me, I think I can finish this within, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, like that. Maybe 15 minutes should be possible. We will go through this together step by step. I'll just, let's see. I'll see this. Yeah. Okay. I'll just delete this one. Let me just stop so I don't waste time.
Doctor.
Yeah.
The link
Yes, go ahead.
kicked me out from the session. So did you say anything important I need to hear it?
The link kick you out from the session? No, I think no. We are just about to start. We are just about to start. Just a moment. I'm going to prepare something.
But doctor.
Yep. Go ahead.
What do you suggest us to do? Having two two devices, one to hear you, one to work with you, or how can we do it?
Sorry, I don't understand. Could you please say that again?
How can we look at you how you work with AutoCAD, and how can we do it in our laptop in the same time?
Oh. Yeah, that's a good question, because maybe I will make like 2 steps, okay, and then you do it. Then I will wait, and then I will continue several steps again, and then you then after you look at it and you do it again. What do you think?
Okay.
Or if you want, if you have like 2 devices, maybe you can use your cell phone to hear my voice and see what I'm doing, and on your laptop you are working directly. It's up to you, but any whichever method that you use, I will wait. Usually in the class I will explain, and then you will see, then you will follow like several steps, not directly the whole thing.
Doctor,
Yeah. Yes.
Can we use the AutoCAD on the iPad? Because right now I don't have a desktop or laptop.
I don't know. Never tried. Yeah, I've never tried. I think it's not possible in iPad. In MacBook and laptop and Windows laptop, I think it's possible. It is possible, but for iPad, I'm not sure.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
I will download the AutoCAD free trial.
No, you are going to download the educational version.
Education version. From where?
Yes. So you need to go to the website. You need to go. Yeah,
Which website?
yeah. I have explained this last week actually.
I didn't find the lecture last week. Is it here? It was here.
So you need to go to the Autodesk website. Okay. Let me
To this website?
find it.
Yes.
Yeah, Autodesk. And you need
No,
to
I'm
log
working
in.
online. I
Or
can
maybe
work online.
I think yeah, I think you just for time being you just watch what we are doing, and then you can do these things later after you are done. After we are done, okay? Because otherwise your other friends will be dragged. So
Can you
just
hear this?
because you need to register, and you need to upload your student ID, and it will take like I don't know, 20 minutes to an hour. Most likely will be less than an hour. They will verify your ID, and then you can download it. Yeah, it takes time. So better now. Let us you just focus first on what we are talking, and then
Okay, I will do it after the lecture. Now
after
I'm
the class.
working
Yes.
online in
Okay.
website browser.
Yeah, it's better for now. You just watch what we are
Yes, it's
doing, and then
working.
you make notes. Okay, you make notes
Yes.
because it will take time to download, and it
No,
will
no.
take time first to.
There is version for browser online, like Word Online. It's working, and I opened the file.
Okay, okay. So you have an online version of AutoCAD.
Yes, yes. And after
Okay,
the lecture, I
okay,
will download the student version.
okay, okay. Great.
Doctor, we don't see your
Okay. Let me share again the
yes,
screen.
we don't see your screen.
This moment. Okay. Okay. I will share it again. Just a moment. Mhm. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, Doctor, we can.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So today we will make the object on the right of the drawing sheet. So this object is called a crank. It's not important though what the name is. We have here on the left, here, we have like two circles. One circle is the smaller one, a full circle, and this one actually also a circle, but it's not a full circle, is around half a circle, right? And then to the right of that circle, you have another circle, a bigger circle, on, I would say, the right corner, right bottom corner. You have a bigger circle here, but you have another circle, which is a quarter circle. On the top, you have also two circles, actually. One smaller circle, full circle, and the other one is nearly a half circle. A bigger circle, but half circle. The last circle that we have is this. Actually, this is a circle with a radius of 80. And this circle is tangent to the two smaller circles on the top, this one and that one, and on the bottom one. Okay. Tangent means this circle is touching this smaller circle at a point. That means it is tangent. Okay, you need to understand the meaning of tangent. If an object touching to another object at a point, it's called a tangent to that object. Okay. So let us start to make the circles from the left. As usual, we will click this tool, the draw tool, particularly the circle tool. And when you click this, again, I always encourage you to read the command line window. This one, if I drag it, just to refresh your memory, this is the command window. Sometimes I call it command box. So if I say command box, it's actually this one, the command line window. Okay. So as I've mentioned, yeah.
Where is the
yes.
command window?
This one. Can you see? I'm moving it. No, this one. I brought it up.
Yeah, we can.
It's not. You cannot see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the share screen has a problem. Let me stop the share screen and start again, okay? Okay, I stop the share screen and I share again. Okay. Now, can you see it? I have shared my screen.
I think, could you move it? Yeah, now we can see it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the command box, command box or command line window. Okay. Because you are going to type a command here, or every time you click a command through or on the ribbon, it will directly type the command here. Okay, I will repeat. I will escape from any command. Okay, I will command the AutoCAD to make a circle there. I'm using the ribbon. Okay, so when I click, let us see what is written there on the or in the command box or in the command window. It says specify center point, right? For circle. Specify center point for circle. So I will just click anywhere. Don't worry about the location. Of course, you can try to approximate or approximate where the good location is. What I mean by good location is a location where we'll make your drawing at the center. But we shouldn't really worry about this because AutoCAD has a move option or move command which can move your drawing in the end. So let us click somewhere here. Okay. Now, again, read the command window. What it says, specify radius of the circle. Specify radius of circle. Okay. So let us see what the radius is. I am going to draw this circle. I will zoom it. This circle, the smaller one. If you see, the radius is 10, right? The radius is 10. Of course, here is 20, but this is the diameter, the قطر. القطر 20 نص قطر 10. Okay, so we will type here 10 because it's asking you the radius. Enter. Okay. By the way, if you want to move the sheet like what I have done just now, like what I did just now, you see there's a hand, a black hand. It's easy. You just need to press and hold the middle button, the scroll button. So the scroll button, you press down, then hold it while you are moving the sheet. Okay, next, let us make the circle, this one, the bigger circle, the half circle, or nearly half circle. The radius of this half circle is 20. Let's do that. I will click circle. Now I must catch the center of this circle, right? I must catch the center of this circle. Remember what I said last week about catching a point? We should use object snap. We should use object snap. Never use your eyes. Never use your eyes predicting, or use your feeling where is the center of the circle. We shouldn't, okay? You should use the object snap, which is here. The object snap is there. Okay. So when I click this triangular shape here, it will pop up and you will see the many items of Object Snap. So I will turn on this one. I will check the center Object Snap. That means the Object Snap will help you on catching the center of a circle. I will turn that on. Okay. Close it again. Let's see again the command window. It says specify center point for circle. Okay, so that means the circle command is still active. I will go to near. I will go near that circle, and you see a green light appear there. Okay, you see a green light appear here. Pay attention there. You see a green light, and a center, a word center shows up. Okay, it doesn't matter you go close to the center point or you are far away from the center point, as long as that green light specifying the center turns on already, it will catch automatically your cursor. So I will just click. You see, it's catching your cursor. So now you have a center point exactly at the same location as the other circle. Now it remains to specify the radius. As usual, read the command window. It says specify the radius of the circle. Of course, if you want, you can change by clicking this, the option inside the square bracket. It's diameter. That means you want AutoCAD to ask the diameter instead of the radius. So if I click this, now it changes. It says specify diameter of circle. Okay, what is the diameter of the circle? Let's see. So this circle, it has radius 20. So the diameter is 40, right? So I will just type here 40. There. Now you've got the two circles.
Wait, doctor.
Yeah.
When should we start catch up with you?
You can go ahead, try now if you want. Yes.
But I couldn't get the center point.
You couldn't get the center. You mean the
object snap? Yeah.
The object snap. It's easy. The first thing, you just need to turn it on here.
I did.
Okay. So the object snap will be activated when you have clicked any command. So first click the command, like for example, click the circle command here.
Okay.
And then you go to the first circle. Get close to the first circle.
Okay.
So now you should see the green light appears.
It didn't.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Doctor, what's the radius for each circle? The radius for each one?
The radius, the smaller one is 20. Here, can you see it in the screen?
Yeah.
The smaller one is 10. Okay, the radius is 10, and the bigger one is 20.
How did you know the small one is 10?
Here, this one. Can you see my cursor?
Yeah, I can see it. But so what does this symbol mean?
This means qutr, diameter.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. So the diameter is 20, so the radius will be 10. You can see the arrow here. See the arrow is pointing to the small circle, while the other one, this arrow, is pointing to the big circle. Okay. Did you manage to make the 2 circles?
Yes, I did.
Great. Anybody?
Teacher?
Yes.
Yeah, I couldn't get the center. I couldn't find it. I'm using the Mac.
You're using the Mac. Okay, can you see this symbol here? Object snap. The object snap symbol?
No.
Something like murabba with a dot on the corner?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay, so you click beside it.
I'm clicking on it and there is nothing to...
Oh, you mean you turn it on already?
Yeah.
Did you turn this on? Because you can turn on and off the whole thing. Can you see the light is changed? So make sure that it is activated. If I do this is not active. But when I click like that, now it is active.
Okay, in my laptop it is activated. So how can I put my center circle?
Now it's active already, the object snap.
That's it.
Okay, good. So,
okay.
So just a moment. When you click the circle command, and then you go. I will click the circle command. I will show you. I will click the circle command.
The other
and
circle,
just
how much radius?
The bigger one, 20. Radius 20. Okay, I will just repeat. Okay, I will delete the second circle. So I click the circle command on the ribbon, and then once you have activate a command, the object snap will be activated. Okay, the object snap will appear. See the green lights? The green lights on the center. That means now the object snap will catch your cursor. So when I click, then you will have the second circle on the same center, at the same center as the previous circle. And the radius is 20. Okay. Okay, I will continue. Now we are going to make the circle here. This circle, the bigger circle on the right corner. Okay. And then next, after that, we will make this the rubu' da'ira, the quarter circle. There are several ways to find the center, because we will need to locate the center, which is somewhere here, takriban hina. So there are several ways to look. Yeah.
The small circle القطر 10.
نص قطر 10.
Another bigger circle 20.
نص قطر 20.
تمام. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, okay, is everybody ready to go to the next step?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I'm ready. It was just a question, teacher.
Yes.
When you control the size of the circle, it shows a specific number. This number is the radius, or it's the قطر?
When we are making the circle?
Yeah, it gives us a number. It shows a number.
Inside the brackets, inside like angled brackets. That is the radius. That is the radius. It depends on the question inside the command window. If it says specify radius of circle, this one, then the value here inside the angled brackets here is the radius. This one is the radius. And this value is the value that we have used before.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to use that again, you just press enter. If you want to change, so you need to fill it here. Fill with another number, 30, 40, or anything you want. Is that clear?
Yeah, that's clear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So I will continue to the next circle. As I've said before, we need to find the center. So if you look at this, the center is located 80 units from the first circle here. From here, it is 80 units horizontally. And it is 10 units, okay, 10 units vertically. How do we know it is 10 units? It's from the following. If you see the radius here, it's 30. So radius of this circle is 30. You can see the arrow there. You can see the arrow is this arrow is pointing to this quarter circle. Okay. So the distance from the center to this edge is 30. On the other hand, this distance here, this distance is 20. Okay, this circle, the radius is 20, 20. So 30 minus 20, okay, 30 from here to here is 30, minus from here to here is 20, it's 10. Okay. So the method that I will show now is I'm going to make a helping line, a line to help you to locate this. So I will just create a line. We will delete this line when we are done. So I will click line command. Okay. And I will start from the center of this circle. Make sure when you click, the green light at the center appears first, then you can click. So see again inside the command window what it says. It says specify next point for the line. Okay. So the next point for the line will be, it has to be located there. It must be located there, right? So it has to be 80 to the right, and okay, this is 80 to the right. From here to here is 80, and from here to up there is 10. So you need to input, at 80,10. Remember last week I told you that the symbol at is the symbol, the same symbol that you use for your email, like at yahoo.com, at gmail.com. So you need to put at and then put the x direction and the y direction. The function of at, just to refresh your memory, the function of at, it means that you want the 80,10 is relative to the first point, okay, not relative to the main coordinate system, to the 0 0 here. Okay, we should use at so that the next point that we type here, 80,10, is relative to the first point that we chose. Okay, now we can enter. There, it will go there. Okay. When you are done, you can press enter or escape. I will just press escape. So this means from here, from this center to here is 80, and from here to that point up is 10. So now we know the center of the circle that we are going to make. Again, let's click the circle command. I will click that. Of course, I will put the markers, the center of this circle, at the end point of this line, which is that. And again, I will put the radius. I will start from the smaller circle, the full circle, which radius is 20. Written here, the diameter 40, but the radius is 20. So I will just type 20 here. 20. There. Now let us make the bigger circle. The same technique as before. Okay, we'll make the bigger circle. The radius is 30. Radius is 30. Okay. Click the circle command. I will click. Again, I will choose the same center. Make sure the green light of the object's name appears first. Then you can click and type the radius. The radius is, what was that? 30, right? Let's see. Yeah, 30.
Yeah.
Radius 30. There. Okay, so now you can delete this one. You can delete this line. This line is just a helping line to help you to obtain the center of the circle that you are going to draw.
Is there another way to put these distance from x and y?
There is.
This line.
There is, but I will explain later, one by one.
So now I use the line.
Yes.
Can you just show me again how to use the line from two circles? I did the two circles. I draw them, but I just want to do the line to make sure the distance is good.
You did the first two circles, you mean? You did this one already?
Yeah, I did this one. I just want to know how to do the line.
This one, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
I know how to do circle. I know how to do circle. I just don't want to know how to do a line.
Yeah. So to do the line, so I will delete again this one, or maybe I don't need to delete that. So you go from here, line.
Yeah.
Okay. Click the line command, and specify the first point. If you read the command line, it says what? Specify the first point. Of course, the first point will be the center of this circle, right?
Yeah.
So then what is the, specify the next point is that will be the center of this circle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and we know already from the drawing, it should be 80 to the right and 10 to the top. 80 to the right and 10 upward. So what you will do is you press symbol at 80, comma 10.
80, 10. So 80 is the X and 10 is the Y.
Right.
Okay.
And this value is relative to the first point because we put the at symbol.
Okay.
If you don't put the at symbol, you are going to go to the real 80, 10 point from the XY coordinates, the 0, 0 from here.
Oh, okay.
Which we don't want. Okay, that's why that's the meaning of using at relative to the first point. Yes.
How can I put the same picture you have to the right?
You need to have the file. Yeah, I can send it to you.
Yes, next time I think it would be better if we have it, so we can.
Yes,
I mean,
yeah, you're right.
we can read with you.
Teacher.
Let me see. Yes.
Yeah, I have a question. Yeah, the bigger circle and the right. How much is the diameter or the radius?
This one?
No, not here. Not here. Not here. In your drawing.
Yeah, it's the same. I'm drawing that one.
Yeah, this one on the right.
You mean this one?
Yeah, the bigger one.
This one. Yeah, this one is that one. This one is this one.
Okay. And how much is the radius here?
In 30. It's 30.
And the smaller circle?
The smaller circle is
20.
20 because this is the diameter 40. So the half of the diameter is the 20.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Great. Okay. Okay, any question until here?
No, we're good. I think we're good.
Okay. Okay, great. So I will make now the two circles here, the full circle and the nearly half circle. Okay, I will start from the smaller one, the full circle. As usual, when you want to make a circle, you need to know the center, right?
Yeah.
So we will use the same procedure. We'll make a line from here to there to get the center point of this circle.
70 on Y's, right? On the Y-axis.
Exactly. And how about the X?
It's not shown.
10.
It's not shown. 10, exactly. You can see from here. From here is 30.
Yeah.
Right? And from here is 20.
Oh,
so
okay.
30.
10, 30.
From here is 30 minus 20
10.
Is 10. Okay. Yeah, of course, in actual, there are many ways to find it. we are just showing or choose one way. Of course, when you work alone, when you work on your own, you will find many ways, maybe a faster way. So,
quick question, please.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, about the line that you put it to connect between the two circles. How can I delete it?
Yeah, you need to select it. Select, you can just click it. And then press delete on your keyboard.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next, let us make the helping line. Okay. I will click the line command, and the first point of the line should be the center of this circle. And then the second point will be, as usual, we will put @ symbol. The X will be 10 to the right. Okay, from here to here horizontally, from here to here is 10, comma, from here to here vertically is 70, 10, 70. There.
Doctor,
Yes.
how do you type the command without taking the mouse to the command box?
Yeah, we can do that. You can turn on here. I'm not turning that on. You can turn that on by going there. It is called the dynamic input. Okay, dynamic input. So here, customization on the right bottom corner. Can you see that?
Just a second. Where?
On the right bottom corner, customization. Here, here, there. Okay, you click, and then here you turn on the dynamic input, or show the dynamic input here. This one. Okay.
Okay, then.
When you click that, you will see this symbol appears here. This symbol appear. Okay, this is a dynamic input. If you turn that on, now every time you press a command, you'll have this thing. Do you see with my cursor, moving with my cursor? It's written specify center point for circle. Near,
yes.
really near to my cursor.
Okay.
So this is called the dynamic input. If you don't want that, you just turn it off. If
Which
you
is
want
better,
it, you turn it on. I think having dynamic input is good because it's directly on your eyes, directly near the cursor. Okay. So
okay.
let us make the circle. I will click the circle command. Specify center point for circle. So the center point will be the end of this line. The end of this line. You click there. And specify radius of the circle. Okay. You can read the information. It is 10 exactly. It is 10. The radius will be 10. Okay. You can read the steps from the command line window or from the dynamic input window, I would say, dynamic input window. So I'll put 10. So that will be the smaller circle. Okay. And then again, I'll do a circle. By the way, if you are going to repeat the same command, if you are going to repeat the same command, you don't need to click again and again that button. You can just press enter directly. Like what I'm going to do now, I will press enter. Now you see it's directly giving the circle command. Okay. If you want to repeat, just press enter. If you want to repeat the same command, just press enter. Just press enter. So specify the center point. Again, the center point is the same center as before. And then specify the radius. The radius is this one, right? This one. 20. 20. So type 20 there. Okay. And then yeah, you can delete this line now. By the way, if you would like to ensure if your line is okay, for example, I will just do undo. For example, you want to know, is this really the delta x is 10 and delta y is 70? You can click the line and right click, click the properties. So the properties window will appear. You can go down, you can drag down, up and down like that. See, like this. And see on the bottom of that window, here the delta x is 10, then the delta y is 70. Okay.
Sorry, doctor, but it's zoomed in. Can't see very well.
What?
It's zoomed in. You can see very well.
You cannot see this. Is it too small?
Yeah. It's zoomed. It's zoomed in. I mean, from the blackboard.
Okay, so you click this. How about now?
Yeah, it's much better now, I think.
Okay, so you click the line. Click the line. This is to see the properties of the line, okay, or of the object. So you click the object, right click, and click properties. The letter or the word properties here. So the properties window will appear. This one on the left. Okay. And when you go down, you will see the delta x is 10, the delta y is 70. This verifies our line is correct. Or yeah. Okay. I'll close that. I will delete the line. So what's next? Let us make the big line here. Okay, until here, any question? No?
Teacher, everything is clear.
Okay.
Doctor,
Yes.
if I click on the circle, can I know her properties same as the line?
Yes, exactly. So like if you click this one, right click, and then this, if you go down, you will see the radius is 20, the diameter is 40. Okay. And the X and Y, this is the X and Y here is the actual point, actual location with respect to the 0, 0 of the coordinate system, the original coordinate system. Okay. Okay, now let us make the bigger circle, which is tangent to the two smaller circles. Okay, so we are going to make a circle like that, tangent to this circle and that circle. Okay, tangent to this circle and that circle. How to do that? In order to do that, we will use another option instead of the center, specifying the center option. I will click the command, the circle command. Okay. Now, if you see in the command window, I will bring it up here so you can see it.
Teacher, can you zoom in?
How can I zoom in? You mean zoom in the...
No. It's
The screen sharing is itself, it's zoomed in.
The screen sharing is zoomed in?
No.
How about now?
Yeah.
It's too far because one of the students is zooming in with blackboard. يا شباب اللي مزوم على blackboard يضغط مرتين على الشاشة ويطلعه. And that was good, I think.
yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Jazakallah khair. So now, can you read the command window? What's written in the command window? Specify center point for circle, right?
Yes.
And there is the word or, and then the square brackets. That means you can choose other options, which are these three 3P option or 2P option or the TTR option. Now we are going to use this option, the last one, the TTR. TTR means tan radius. Okay, tan radius, tangent radius. So let us click this option. Now the command window says specify point on object for first tangent of circle. Okay, now it's asking, like it is saying, okay, your circle will be tangent to the first circle, right? Sorry, will be tangent to two circles. So AutoCAD is asking which one is the first circle. So I will just, okay, I will say, okay, it's around here. Okay, takriban hina. So I will just click around there. Again, read the command window. Now it says specify point on object for second tangent of circle. So now it's asking you the second tangent, which is this one. This circle will be the second tangent of the circle that you are going to make. So I will click this. Okay. Now it is saying specify the radius. Specify the radius. What is the radius? The radius is 80.
80.
Okay. Yes. So let's type 80 and then enter. Now you see the big circle that you have made touching at one point. or tangent to this circle and to the other circle. That's why it is called the tangent radius, because it is tangent to two locations, and you need to specify the radius after that. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
You can go ahead make it.
Yeah, it's clear, but we just want to make it first.
Okay, go ahead. I will wait.
Doctor,
Yes, go ahead.
while you are moving your mouse, you are easily change between the circle to the what's called the band.
The pan.
Yes, how can how can
Oh, you can press the middle button of your mouse. The scroll button, you press it.
oh only
Press and hold.
Teacher?
Then you can move. Yeah.
Yeah, when you press circle and go to command to click on tan radius.
Yeah.
I'm using a Mac and I cannot connect to it.
You cannot click it.
Yeah.
Maybe okay. In that case, you can type it. Type. If you see here, I will bring this up.
Okay.
If, in Mac, do you see a different color there?
No.
The TTR, the T, the first T, the capital T is a blue color.
No, my laptop it is all the same.
It's all the same.
Yeah.
Okay. The TTR is the T a capital letter or not?
Capital, yeah.
Okay. Try to type that. Type T.
DTR.
Type T.
Capital T.
Or you can type TT. Yeah, T. I think T is enough. See, T is enough. Or you can type full TTR.
Okay.
Try that and let me know.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
So it works? Okay, good. Alhamdulillah.
I have another question, please. So, how did you choose the center in both of the two circles?
You mean the tangent?
Yeah.
To get the tangent, after you are choosing the TTR, okay, I will delete this. Let's make that again. By the way, the recording is suddenly escaped. I don't know why. But I think you are able to grasp well, inshallah. So, okay, I will press the circle command, and you can type TTR, okay, or you can click this for Windows. For Mac, it seems doesn't work, so you just type TTR and press enter. Specify point on object for first tangent. So, do you see the green light appear?
Yeah.
So you just click anywhere there, anywhere at that location.
Okay.
Okay, it will adjust itself. How about in your laptop, in Mac? Do you see that green light?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, so you click there, and then the second tangent, you go to the second circle. Just around that location, no need to be exact, because it will adjust itself according to the radius that you have later.
Yeah.
You click there.
And the radius?
Now the radius is 80.
Yeah.
It's 80. So you type 80. Okay. Type 80 and enter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So next, let us make a line here. This line, the vertical line and the horizontal line. Vertical line, this one, and the horizontal line. Okay. So again, go to the ribbon, press the line command. Now you need to catch this location, right? You don't want the center. Now when I get close to this circle, the object snap which appears is the center object snap, and you don't want that, right? So let's see what object snap can help us. So go there, go to the object snap quick menu. So quadrant is one of the options that you can use. So I will use quadrant. I will turn quadrant on. Okay, this. Then I will go back here. Now you see it appears. The diamond shape green light will appear. This is the quadrant of your circle. So you just click. And then again, the other quadrant. Click. Then escape. Again, I will repeat the command line by just pressing enter. From this quadrant to that quadrant. And then enter. Okay.
Yeah, teacher, I couldn't find the quadrant.
Is it in the Mac or Windows?
Mac.
The quadrant, okay. Try go to the object snap. Can you have, can you get this window here?
Sorry?
Can you see my window, my screen?
Yeah, I cannot
now
get like
it. What do you have? Do you have the endpoint?
Just let me see. No.
Yeah. So you need to click the rectangle there.
Yeah, I don't have a rectangle here.
Okay, in that case, you do right click.
اضغط بإصبعين.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Shukran.
And go. How did you do it in Mac? Right click?
No, double click with 2 fingers.
Double click with 2 fingers. Okay.
Teacher, how to do the line you put between 2 circles? Did you draw a line?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, is that a line or what?
Yeah, this is a line. This is a line. Yeah.
So what's
because you are going to make that line.
What's the use of the quadrant?
Sorry? The quadrant is to catch it exactly at this location. Because if you don't have the quadrant, you will not catch the location like this.
Oh, okay. It's
there,
like a magnet. Okay.
Right? Yeah. The quadrant is one of the object snap option.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Yeah, as I have mentioned before, never use your eyes. So, for example, if you turn the quadrant option off, so then you will need to guess. To guess where is it? Is it here or is it there? Which is not correct. So you have to turn on the quadrant object snap so that you can select the exact location. Okay, so basically your drawing is done. You just need to to
Erase.
erase, okay? Or to be more accurate, we call it trim. We call it trim. Okay, so is everybody ready? Can I continue?
Yes, please.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I will go to the trim command, which is one of the modify tool. I will click trim, and then in the newer version, in the version 2021, which I installed here in my laptop. Hello, yes.
Please again, what you clicked?
Trim,
Yeah.
trim, yeah. You can also type it in your command window, trim. Type it in your command window is also possible. You type trim and then you can choose. There. Okay. So in the newer version, in the version 2021, after you click the trim command, you can directly trim anything you want. Okay. In the previous version, you need to press enter. After you click, you press enter, then you can choose anything you want to trim. In the newest version, you don't need. You just after you click the trim, then you can directly choose the line. You don't need that one, right? So you don't need that. You don't need this. So trim is like cutting your circle. For example, this one, you are cutting sorry, not only circle, it is also cutting the part of the object. Like this one, you are cutting between here and there. Okay, if you choose that one, it will cut that part. If you choose this one, it will cut this part. If you choose here, it will cut this part. Okay. If you choose this one, it will cut the other part. So you don't need this. You don't need this also, because you only need the other half. You don't need this half. You don't need this. You don't need that. So now you are done with your object.
Teacher, sorry, how did you erase?
No, we are not using the erase command. We are using the trim. Trim is like cutting part of the object. Okay, is erasing the whole thing, the whole object, but trim is a part of the object. So if I repeat, okay, the condition is like this. So you press trim, or you can type in the command window, trim. Okay. And then choose the segment that you want to delete. Okay, I want to delete this segment. Of course, you will need this segment, so don't delete this one, right?
Okay.
So just click that. Okay. You cannot do this with erase. With erase, you will just delete the whole thing.
I see.
So now you don't need this. If you see, you just see there. So you don't need that part inside here. Delete that part. Delete this part of the circle. And finally, delete this part there. And then press escape when you're done. I don't know why is the recorder. Oh, it's not stopped. I thought it stopped. Okay. Can you see it this moment? Yes, I can see it. Yeah, go ahead.
In the beginning of the lecture, you told us that we can move the object.
Yes,
How
exactly.
can we do it?
Okay, go there. I would like to ask whether you have reached this step. You reached this condition. Yes, Ryan.
Yes, of course.
Yes. You reached already. Okay, good.
Are you asking me only or the whole student?
The whole students. Yeah. Okay, 1 out of 20 has answered. Okay, I assume everybody has reached here. Anybody who has not reached here can speak up. Okay. So now let us move this to the center, or near the center, approximately to the center. We will use this command, move command. Okay. Can you see it? And you click this, or you can type it in the command window. Move. There. Okay. So I click the move command. As usual, I encourage you read what's written there in the command window. It says select objects. That means we need to select the object that we want to move. In this case, I will use box selection technique. Okay, I will use box selection because you have a lot of object here. So to be fast, I will use the box selection. You just click at one side and then go to the other corner. Okay, cover the whole object and click again. Okay. Click and click. You just click and click. No need to hold. Okay, click and at one corner and click again at the other corner. Now, if you see again to the what's this command window, AutoCAD informs you that you have chosen 9 objects, okay, 9 found. Okay, and you can see in the screen that all the objects, the circles, the lines, and everything is highlighted now. That means they have been chosen. Okay, now let's read again the command window. It says select objects. So it is asking you, do you still want to select object? Is there any additional object to move? If you are done, if there is no other object to move, then press enter. Okay. After you press enter, you will see this next step. This next step is specify base point. Okay, specify base point is like where you want to hold the object when you are moving it. Like you can imagine when you want to move something, you will hold it using your finger, right? You will hold it. You can hold it here. You can hold it there. you can hold it here. Okay, even in our case, you can hold it anywhere, any location. In this case, for example, I will hold it at the center of this circle. It's really up to you, actually. Really up to you, and it depends on the condition or situation that you face. I will hold it here. I will click this center point as my base point. Now you see as if my finger is holding that center. So I will drag it to takriban, or approximately, to the center. And then the final step is specify second point. Okay, so you just click the location, which will be your second point. Say takriban there. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher, please.
Okay, good. Has everybody reached this point? Anybody still behind? Okay, everybody's good. Okay, so next is about giving the name. Giving the name. This is drawn by. Drawn by means, can you see that? Drawn by means who draw this? Who draw this object? So it is you, right? So to put your name is by using the multi-line text object. This one. Okay, you click that and just make a box. Make a box. Usually in AutoCAD, when you are making a rectangle, you just click at one point and then click at the other point, which is the corner to corner. Like this one, I will click here and I will click again there. Okay. You can type your name. In my case, it will be what? Eldrin. Okay. For example, like that. You can increase the size. Oops. There. When you want to move this box, you just click the corner here, top left corner. You don't need to put your full name. You can just put abbreviation of your name, like this one. I just put say, for example, Elvin DJ, disc jockey, disc jockey. Okay, and then checked by, you can type my name here. You can use the multi-line text. As usual, if you want to repeat the same command, just press enter. Okay. Again, make box from corner. Sorry. Sorry, just a minute. Maybe yeah, the last command that I made is not creating, but maybe something else. Okay, so I will click from here to there. Just put my name, press escape, and then yes. Okay. Is everybody following?
Oh, yes, doctor. I've written
Okay,
my name down and my ID number.
Okay, and you can also copy it. You can copy like you copy in MS Word. You just click the one that you have already here, Control copy, and then Control V, paste. You put it there, and then double click. Then you can change the ID number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, like that. Okay. And if you see your letter is too small, you can change it by highlighting it, highlighting the letters or the numbers, and change it here on the top left corner, in the ribbon. Text height, you can change it to, for example, 4. Enter. So now it gets bigger. It gets larger. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Any question?
Thank you very much.
So
Okay,
Doctor, we only need to write our name and ID number.
Yes, name and ID number. I don't know, did you meet your doctor in the sketching class?
Yes, we did.
Last week.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, we didn't start drawing yet.
Did he give you bench number? Rokon Tasalsil or something?
No, not really.
Not yet. Not yet. Okay. So yeah, the bench number, then just leave it empty. Oh yeah, you need to put your Rakam Shu'bah. Rakam Shu'bah here. What is your Shu'bah? I think 71168, right? 71168, this one. It's 71168. There. 71168. Okay. Regarding the submission, I prefer if you collect, is it possible that you collect, one of you be the coordinator and collect together and zip the file and send it to me? I think that will be easier for me to look at the groups. Yeah, I think. I just stop the.
Then, Doctor, after all of that, should we save it or what?
Yeah. When you want to save it, yeah, you just save it. as a normal, you press save, it will save on your hard drive. And if you want to save it as PDF, I think you can do that.
No, do we need to give this art to anyone or what?
Yeah, you need to submit it to me.
By email?
Yes, by email. Yeah, that's why I suggest that. How do we do this? I prefer that you collect everything first. Maybe you can have a Google Drive or something. And after everybody is collecting their work, then you can zip and send it to me. You can send it to me like anytime this week. And that's fine.
And who will do that?
Yeah, I don't know yet. Do you have like a coordinator in your group? A student who coordinates this thing? Or like a leader in the group?
We have a group leader, but it will be extra job for him to collect from all of us.
Extra job for him. Yeah. We will see. You can keep it. You can keep it first. The file. I will let you know. Maybe there is a way. Maybe you can upload to LMS. Maybe we will see.
Yes, that's what I was gonna suggest. You can open a discussion in the LMS. We can give it to you.
Okay, so I will see if I can open like a bin or a container in LMS, a virtual container that will receive your work.
So, Doctor, save as what? The file.
Save as, I think this one.
No, teacher, you go to the output, teacher.
You can, if you want to save in the AutoCAD format, you can do that. Just save. If you want to do a PDF, you need to print. You need to plot. What did you say? Output or export?
Yeah.
You mean?
No, an output or export. Yeah, it's both work.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do, Doctor?
Yeah, I think let me see which one is better. Let's see how the PDF works. The PDF is okay, but I think it's better to plot, okay? So I will show you how to plot. To plot to PDF, I mean. So let me try this first. I will click plot. Plot is like printing, actually like printing the printer symbol up there. Can you see it?
Yes.
If you click that, then leave the first thing empty here. And the name of the printer, Adobe PDF or PDF Creator. I think, do you have that? PDF Creator or Adobe PDF? Anything related to PDF. And then the paper size.
I have Doctor AutoCAD PDF, smallest file, high quality, general.
You don't have any other PDF output? Let me try this one, like Adobe PDF. I believe if you install Adobe, you will see this. And then A4, okay, The paper size is A4. And then the plot area is choose window. Window means you need to choose the, or you make a window for the object that you want to print. Like this one, when I click window, it will ask you to choose. So I would choose, I want just to print this. Okay, I will cover that. So when I preview, I will only print this. See the difference? When I use the export, in my case, it will export both. If you use a print window, and you choose the window is only this region, it will only print this region. Okay, so that's the difference. So when I press OK, so let's find the GE 104. Oh, there it is. Okay. So say I put it here, save. So then I got the drawing that I print. It should be A4 here. Okay.
Teachers,
Yeah, I
have a
think
look
that's all. Yeah.
A4.
Yeah, choose a just choose one A4, I guess.
Okay, how about the page setup?
The page setup.
Yeah, tab one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think just keep it empty. It's not important.
I can't. He refused to continue.
Maybe the printer plotter. Did you choose? I think this needs to be chosen.
Okay.
Doctor,
Okay.
can I use Microsoft to print to PDF?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe I have not tried that one though. Or if you are, yeah, try your best. Try you print see which PDF is better, or try the output. If you see when you use this, for example, export PDF, and it gives, when you check, it gives a good file. I can see it clearly, so that's fine. Okay. Otherwise, you need to find a way. Maybe the best way, I think, using the plot.
So when I click at export,
yeah,
he will export it as PDF file, right?
Yes, you need to choose this one.
Yes,
Create the PDF file.
Yes, I did. Do you
Okay.
need a specific name for the file or no?
Just put your ID number, name and ID number. That's all, and the classwork name, classwork 1, for example, CW1, and give your name, just the first name and ID number. That's all. Okay. Yeah, I think yeah, that's all for today.
Teacher, how we
Teacher,
can send it to you?
I will send the procedure to your email. For now, you just keep it on your computer.
Okay.
I will send you information how we are going to collect this.
Okay.
Either to
Thank
my
you.
email, or maybe I will check LMS if you can upload there in LMS.
Okay, sure. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Afwan, welcome. Okay, students, good job. Keep practicing at home. Inshallah, you will get better and better with time and practice.
Doctor, last question.
Yes.
When I did export, uh, he saved it in PDF, and it's good, I think. So can I
If it's
close
good,
the window now?
Better you save your drawing file. Save first, just a normal saving. Yeah, because maybe you will need it for the future. Like I have not put the center lines for the what's that? For the circles.
Circles? Yes.
Yeah. So maybe next week we will continue like giving the center lines for the circles. Okay.
Okay.
Dr.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I can hear you.
I have a trouble here because I am working on the iPad, and the
Okay.
things may be totally different. How I can solution this problem?
I don't know, unfortunately. I've never used iPad. You can try search in internet. Try search in internet.
Searched in the
Or
but I didn't find anything.
So maybe you need to try install it in yes, install it in what we call that, in laptop or a computer.
That's a problem. I don't have a PC or a laptop. I am working with the iPad. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Try to try not only in YouTube. Maybe if you look at in the websites, maybe there are some information on it.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So let us end this course for now. We will meet next week, inshallah.
Doctor?
Okay.
Can I go, sir?
Yes.
Did you take the attendance?
Yeah, the attendance will be recorded automatically.
So I can go now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you.
Doctor, I have a problem.
By the way, I need to go to the next class, so you can
Okay, I will contact you with
discuss next time. Okay, you can discuss with me or discuss with your friend also.
Okay.
Okay, take care. Assalamualaikum wabarakatuh.